Sometimes you want to print a photo. You open the file and the printout covers the entire sheet. But you need a photo of smaller dimensions, also to use less ink. How to do? 2 methods. The first method: create a Word document. Open it. Insert the image you want to print, or copy-paste it. Now you can resize the photo to the size you need. If you want, you can position the photo in the center of the sheet or elsewhere. Using this method, you can also enlarge a small photo. Print it. Okay. The second method: open the image you want to print as a photo. Click on the 3 dot. Choose Resize Image or similar. In the length section, type for example 300 pixels, depending on how wide you want your photo to be. Quality 100%. Save it as a new file. Open the file. Print. Now you have your photo of smaller size.